Okay, student, let's discuss equipotential surfaces. Equipotential means equal potential. Okay, the surface on which every point has the same value of potential. हर एक point की पे जो potential है उसकी value क्या होगी? Same होगी, right? It may be zero or may not be zero. Let's take a case of a dipole, right? And this is some equatorial plane, right? And we know that every point on this equatorial plane has potential 0, right? Every point has the same value of potential, that is 0. That means this plane is equipotential surface, right? And direction of electric field is, direction of dipole moment is from negative to positive for a dipole, and electric field at some point is something like this. This is electric field opposite to the direction of dipole moment in case of equatorial plane. Similarly, direction of electric field is this, which is perpendicular to this plane, right? From here we know that electric field is perpendicular to the surfaces, right? So now we discussed some properties of equipotential surface, right? First property is what? No work is done. No work done means work done is 0. No work is done in taking a point charge or charge from a point to another point on equipotential surface. Let us take this surface, some surface has potential V, right? Means, and this is equipotential surface means every point on this surface has the same value of potential, that is V, right? There is a charge Q at point A, right? And I am taking this charge, let's say at point B, at point B on the equipotential surface, right? Then work done by us is 0 in taking this charge from a point to another point. This is very important point, right? Work done in moving a charge from one point to another point on equipotential surface is 0. Okay. Now, second point is what? We know that electric field is perpendicular to equipotential surfaces, right? Electric field lines हमेशा perpendicular होंगी equipotential surfaces. Third property is what? No two equipotential surfaces intersect each other, right? तो इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस कभी भी एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. Just like an electric field lines, they never intersect because at the point of intersection there are two directions of electric field. Similarly, if two surfaces, let's say these are two surfaces, they intersect each other, then their line of intersection, at the line of intersection there are two directions of electric field. Let's say these are the direction perpendicular to the electric field. This is a plane, this is the direction of electric field which is perpendicular to the plane. Similarly for this, if these two planes are intersect, then there are two directions of electric field at a line of intersection. That is not possible, right? Next property is closely spaced surfaces, equipotential surfaces has high value of electric field, and loosely spaced surfaces shows low value of electric field. These are some property of equipotential surfaces, right? Okay. Now let's discuss how to draw equipotential surfaces. To understand this, we have to take some case. Let's say point charge. Let's take point charge. To draw equipotential surface for a point charge. To draw equipotential surface, first we have to draw electric field lines and then choose a surface which is perpendicular to that electric field lines always. We know that from the property electric field line is always perpendicular to this, right? Let us take a point charge. This is positive point charge, right? And positive charge means electric field lines is outward from the positive charge. These are electric field lines, right? Okay. Now we have to draw equipotential surface, and equipotential surface क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पे परपेंडिकुलर. तो कौन सा सरफेस होगा? अ स्फीयर. स्फीयर तो होगा जो क्या होगा? हमेशा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस पे क्या होगा? परपेंडिकुलर. तो दिस स्फीयर इज इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. बट वन मोर थिंग, द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नियर दिस चार्ज is high and away from this charge is low value. Means the equipotential surface which is near to this is closely spaced, and as we move away from this charge, this surface is loosely spaced, something like this, right? And so on. So these surfaces are equipotential. There is high electric field, there is low electric field away from that charge, right? And यहां से हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए जो इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? spherical equipotential surface for a point charge, right? Let us take a point charge, and this is one equipotential surface and this is another equipotential surface, that's it, right? And at the center a charge, positive charge is placed. The radius is r1 and outer radius is r2, right? This surface has potential v1 and this outer surface has potential v2, right? If we take a charge at point A and moving it from A to point B, right? So at point A potential is V2, at point B potential is also V2. Then work done is 0 in taking from A to B, because equipotential surface, there is no work is done on the equipotential surface in taking a charge, right? But if we take this charge from this to this potential, one potential surface to another potential surface, let's say this point is C, and at point C potential is V, right? There is some work done, right? And this work done is AC. तो work done AC क्या होगा हमारे पास? Let's say this is positive capital Q charge, positive capital Q, right? तो Q into potential difference, right? And potential difference is what? V1 minus V2. This much of work done we have to do, right? So on the same potential surface there is no work done, but if we change the potential difference in moving a charge from a point to another point, then there must be some work done, right? This is our first case for a point charge, right? Let's draw equipotential surface equipotential surface second for a plain uniformly charged plane sheet, right? Let us take this is positively charged plane sheet, uniformly plane sheet, right? And this is another uniformly charged, negatively charged plane sheet placed parallel to each other, right? Then electric field is this, right? We have to draw equipotential surface. Equipotential surface is what? Same, perpendicular to electric field. तो कौन सा plane होगा? This plane is what? Perpendicular to electric field, right? Again this plane, and so, right? And these planes are at same distance from each other. That's the x-axis. Why at same distance? Because electric field at every point is same. Electric value of electric field is same at every point. Uniform electric field, right? Parallel lines means uniform electric field, and uniform electric field, they are uniformly distributed. Equipotential surfaces are uniformly placed, means at equal distance, right? This is the case of plane sheet, right? Now third point is two charges separated by some distance. Let's 2 point charges are placed and separated by some distance. First case, two same type of charges. Let us take two positive charges separated by some distance, right? We have to draw equipotential surface. So first we draw electric field lines, and for this electric field line is something like this. These are electric field lines drawn by two same type of charges separated by some distance, right? Now equipotential surface, how we draw equipotential surface? So at close there is a spherical surface, right? और जैसे जैसे हम दूर जाएंगे, it is something like this. At some point it is like this. Here also right, something like this. Here value of electric field is high, near to the charge, means closely spaced. This side electric field is high, but this side is electric field is low, because both electric field are cancel out each other, right? Repulsive force, this side electric field is less, this side electric field is large. So this side is closely spaced, but this side is loosely spaced line, right? And this type of equipotential surfaces are drawn. After that equipotential surface is like this, right? And at very large distance it is an oval shape, something like this. At very large distances it becomes like this, right? यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं हर एक surface every equipotential surface is perpendicular to the electric field lines, right? Here this is perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, here also perpendicular to the electric field lines, here also perpendicular, right? So this is how we draw equipotential surface. हर एक पॉइंट पे परपेंडिकुलर है और यहाँ पे spherical equipotential surface बन रहा है. Near to the charge there is a spherical equipotential surface. It is equipotential surface is something like of infinite shape, right? And oval shape also. So different types of equipotential surfaces are here, right? Let's say another case, if we take two oppositely charged point charge separated by some distance. One is positive charge, another is negative charge. Then first we draw what? Electric field lines. This is electric field line. These are electric field lines, right? These are electric field lines, right? So we have to draw equipotential surface perpendicular to these lines, means close, same, high value of electric field and spherical shape, right? But this, in between these there is high value of electric field and this side low value of electric field. So this side is closely spaced and this side is loosely spaced, something like this, right? And so on. Further ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ेगा. This side also closely spaced and high value of electric field, low value of electric field, right? There are more field lines here, so high value of electric field, and so on, right? At some midpoint, if the both charges are equal and opposite, then midpoint there is something like this, spherical, right? And at this point there is also electric field. This is electric field, this is electric field, this is. So here electric field is a plane symmetry at the midpoint, right? There is also electric field lines, na? And we have to draw what? Perpendicular plane, which is perpendicular on what? Electric field lines. This. So for this case, there are two type of what? Equipotential surfaces. First is spherical surfaces, and second is plane surface. For